So welcome back to the ClearCryptos channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Coinbase SEC lawsuit. And Zach, you look like you're a little upset about this, so I'm going to let you go first.
Yeah, this whole thing has really ticked me off. I want to say another word, but I'm going to keep it PG. Wow. This is absolutely ridiculous, in my opinion. The way the SEC has handled this case, I think it's just ruling with an iron fist. They have no idea what they're doing when it comes to cryptocurrency. It's quite clear. Now, they could probably use some help from outside people. I think they're going to get that from people they're hiring at the White House, and they're devising this big committee. We're supposed to hear something in October. But, I mean, basically what happened here is there were 3 bad actors who manipulated either 9 or maybe even more cryptos on Coinbase. But that doesn't mean they're all securities. That doesn't mean they're not good companies. That doesn't mean AMP, backed by Flexa, isn't trying to do really good in the crypto space by bringing in huge people like Amazon. That was a big rumor last year, right? We covered that. It's just ridiculous to me. I mean, the SEC, they didn't go in and dig at these companies. They just said, hey, there were 3 bad actors here, and these are the 9 currencies involved, maybe even more, and they're all bad. They're all bad. That's ridiculous to me.
Obviously, you feel a little strongly about that. I don't feel as strongly. I think that this is regulation via enforcement, which I don't like. But I get where you're coming from, and I think where I'm at with this. And so, just to clarify, just for those people who are like don't know what we're talking about. So basically, what's happened here is that sometime last year, there was 3 individuals who worked at Coinbase, and they have been accused of what they call insider trading. And really what it comes down to is that these 3 individuals, right, Zach, they knew when certain new tokens were going to be listed on Coinbase. And so they went and bought them pre-listing. And then when they came onto Coinbase, then of course, the price pumped, and they made a lot of money because of the Coinbase effect when a token comes on. Okay, right?
100%. Yeah, okay. That's exactly what happened. Yeah.
So inside of this, to your point, there was about, Zach, 20 to 21 of these tokens that they traded, that they did this with.
Yep.
And so I think what is really kind of gotten under your skin is that out of those 20 or 21 tokens, 9 of them, the SEC has said, hey, we're going to grab these and we're going to call these securities. So you did insider trading on securities, and here we go.
Exactly. Okay. Exactly. I mean, just because here's the thing. It's like if Bitcoin were to come out tomorrow and they did it with Bitcoin, they would just say, hey, yeah, Bitcoin's now a security because 3 bad people did things they weren't supposed to do.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Well, but here's the thing. You and I both know what this is. This is regulation via enforcement. You and I also both know what this, because we cover this every day. We watch this, is that this is not really about insider trading. It's not. This is about, because I agree with your energy. I do agree. It's about the fact that the SEC is in a turf war with the CFTC, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. Because what are they doing? They are doing what? I'm gonna throw it to you. There you go. I gotta go this way. What are they doing? What's the battle going on between those 2 government entities?
Well, the SEC wants to label everything a security, so they have their sticky fingers on it,
and so that they can control it, so that they can be the government regulatory body over all of crypto.
Yep.
Right. That's what to me, that's what this is. To me, this is the SEC wants to establish this court case as a legal precedent, so that next year or the year after, whatever, they can go, hey, you remember that case over there? We got it established that those guys and that Coinbase thing, they were, identified as insider trading securities. That means that crypto is a security.
Right. But you know what? Shout out to the Department of Justice, though, because they quickly came in and said, wait a minute. The SEC, you're wrong. Each one of these needs to go through an independent investigation. And to that, I say, hell yeah, that's exactly what needs to happen. We don't know that AMP or Rally or the next several tokens involved here are actually bad projects. The SEC, in my mind, they don't even know what they do. They didn't even take the time to look into it. It was just, hey, this thing happened. We've got to jump in. and like you said, rule with an iron fist.
Right.
And gain control. I mean, and that's really what it comes down to.
It's all about, and would 2023, right, Zach, is literally going to be the year of regulation. That's when we are going to get visibility, clarity. There's going to be so much, literally what I'm calling the turf war, depending on who is going to be, by the way, the CFTC has come out with their own piece of content earlier today, something about how they've won this precedent. It's just, you're going to see constant every single day or every week, this legal battle wrangling between these two regulatory bodies, because this is it. They're playing for the future of who is going to manage it. That's how that's what it is.
I agree 100%. Biden and his team, they put together the task force in March. Yep. What's interesting is what happened after all of those events that, really detracted from the cryptocurrency market this year happened right after all of that. And now it's like, almost the end of the year. I don't think anything's going to get done by October. They want to bring together G20 members and, hopefully they can figure something out. Everybody doesn't have the same
video. If you don't have a dog barking, you can hear a raider. So there you go.
But did you see that? I mean, that article with the G20 members, like, yeah, we're just going to get together with everybody in the G20 and we're going to have this grand plan and we're going to all be on the same page when it comes to cryptocurrency. Yeah, right.
Not gonna happen.
I mean, that's a pipe dream. I mean, but I agree. I think it's 2023 that here in the States, if you're watching this and you're from the States, because that's kind of the perspective we're at right now. Yeah, I think it's 2023 that we get something set in stone. Yeah,
agreed. So. And more to come. This is going to be the status quo for this year, for the next 12 months. This kind of 100%. Stuff.
It impacts
more and more.
It impacts every single person in crypto. It doesn't matter what you're in, what you're not in, what you're in, what you like, what you don't like. This impacts everybody, so it's important. We'll be covering it more. Right here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Make sure you check out all the other links down below in the description. Come on over and join us at the Discord. A lot of great information over there and great content coming your way on this channel as well. Stay locked in. We'll see you.